friends, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. I have got a 10-minute ab blasting Pilates class just for you. Roll out your mat, let's get started. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, let's lower ourselves onto our mat. Take a moment, maybe even move a little bit in your pelvis, notice what's going on, but we will be imprinting. Remember, that means to eliminate that spot between the small of your back and the mat. Feeling each and every vertebra touch the mat behind you. Shoulders broad. Go ahead, reach your fingertips straight up to the sky and soften down the back. Take a big inhale. Exhale, cinch the waist, press deep into the mat with both of your feet. Take another inhale. As you exhale, this time curl up and over. Do not remove that feeling of pressing down into the feet, of lifting up and curling from your sternum. Reach longer through your fingertips. Broaden through the shoulders. Take a great big inhale. Big breath out. And now keeping yourself totally still, all I want us to do are circle our arms around for 5, 4, exhale, 3, 2, last 1. Hold it there. Reverse those circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Hold it there. Reach the hands up over the knees. Exhale, press down, curl more. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, press down. Now, make sure you're looking up and over your knees, not down at your stomach, not even at your knees, but up and away. 2 more. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one, lift. Hold it there. If you need a hand behind your head at any time to support, to tone that stomach a little more, that's okay. Let's do those circles again. Circle around for 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Hold, fold, reverse your circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, tone that stomach, lift, and let's go up and down for 5, 4, tone that stomach, 3, put a smile on your face, last 1, hold, reach longer, fold just a little more, tone that stomach, take a great big inhale, hands behind your head, lift up half an inch more. If you need to bring the head down, that is a-okay, otherwise big inhale, exhale, float your right foot up. Set that foot down, tone that stomach, lift the left foot up. Drop, bring it down. Exhale, lift the right foot up. Drop, set it down, lift the left. Lower down. Think about that little weight on the small of our stomach, lightly pressing down, lightly toning everything in. Let's do 1 more to each side. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Hold right there. Reach your fingertips up over the knees, and then I want us to lift up half an inch higher for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Tone that stomach, flatten through the small of the back, and then again we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Press down into those feet, cinch the waist. 1 more set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Take 1 more big inhale. Exhale, press the palms down. Take 1 more breath. Relax everything down for a moment. Find a great big stretch through your body. And then from here, I want us to take a seat upright. And then this is a little bit funny, but I like this one. Bring your hands behind your back. Broaden your shoulders, lift up. Now you might begin to kind of sink like this. We don't want that. We do want to keep our elbows pressing down, our shoulders nice and open. You will lightly tip through your pelvis. Take a great big inhale. Exhale, float your right foot up. Now from here, flex, point, whatever works better from you, but I want us to drop the whole leg, exhale, lift the whole leg. Drop the whole leg, exhale, lift the whole leg. 3, 2, last 1, lift, hold. Think of pressing the sacrum, the small of your back towards the ground behind you. Inhale, straighten the leg, exhale, pull it in. Inhale, straighten the leg, exhale, pull it in. 3, 2, last 1. Now reach that foot out. extend long, reach the heel away, actively flex the foot if you aren't already. Inhale, drop the foot down, exhale, lift it up. Inhale, drop the foot down, exhale, lift it up. 3, 2, last one. Lift and hold. Extend that foot so far away, tone the stomach, cinch the waist, take a big inhale. As you exhale, let's drop it down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift slowly up. 5. Tone that stomach, press down into your foot on the floor. 3, 2, 1. Again, tone the stomach, control your body. Don't let your pelvis move at all. It should stay totally in place. Press deeper, broaden those shoulders, cinch the belly just a little bit more, and then bring it all the way down. You got this. Last one, all the way up we go. Broaden those shoulders. Have you let yourself fall down at all? Last one, slowly bring it all the way down. Draw that foot in, stamp it down, big inhale, exhale, lift the opposite foot. Same thing here. Inhale, lower, exhale, tone, lift. Inhale, lower, cinch the waist. 3, 2, last one, lift and hold. Extend, pull it in. Extend, tone the stomach. 3, 2, last one. Reach it out, and then we're going to take a big inhale. Big breath out, cinch that belly, broaden your shoulders side to side, drop the foot down, exhale, lift. Inhale, drop the foot down, exhale, lift. Inhale, drop the foot down, exhale, lift. 3, 2, last one. Lift, hold, reach long, and then we're going to do those slow ones. Drop it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press down to lift up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow down, broaden those shoulders, tone the stomach. You got this. Lift up and hold it. And then right back down. Last one up, last one down. And then let's keep our left foot up. Instead of setting it down, pull the leg in, take a big inhale, bring the left to meet the right, tone the stomach, cinch the waist, broaden your shoulders. And from here, could we drop our right foot, exhale, tone, lift up. Drop the left foot, exhale, tone, lift up. Cinch the waist more and more each and every time. 2 more. Last set. Pull those knees into the chest. Take a great big inhale. And then from here, slow and steady, press it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull it in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your feet here. Seal those inner thighs in. Reach the small of your back. Down, down, down. We're going to come on down and bring your hands behind your thighs. Tone that stomach. Lift up. Broaden your elbows side to side. Reach one hand away. Reach the other hand away. Cinch that waist. And now it's time for hundreds. Let's go ahead and do it. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you go up and down with those arms, think of someone behind you. You're giving them little high fives. And as we go, think of curling up, toning that belly even more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2 more sets. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Reach longer. Take a great big breath. Straighten your right leg. Hold it there. Pull it in. Straighten the left leg. Pull it in. One more breath. Straighten the right. Bring it right back in. Straighten the left. Bring it right back in. Last one, make it the best one. 3 times. Straighten both legs. Pull it in. Straighten both legs. Pull it in. Last one, straighten, stay. Take one more big inhale. Knees in, set the feet down, relax. Reach long, give yourself a little wiggle, take any movement you'd like, pull your knees into your chest and give yourself a little rock and roll all the way up. Go ahead, pat yourself on the back and thank yourself for doing something so good just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed our 10-minute ab blasting series and I hope to see you soon.